school.
Okay, Sex Cymbal, where you at, Sex? Nigga smooth in the bitch. What year?
What year this here?
Okay. What year? 2004.
Baby, that's the whole boat. I'm gonna put that at the bottom of the screen. I'm gonna put that at the bottom of the screen, guys.
What year? 21? 20?
He cold.
21.
Oh, he cold.
21.
Oh, he cold.
21.
That new water.
AGD.
That new water. 21.
Damn it.
Oh, he cold.
Oh, 21.
And I like to play.
They call.
Hey, what's up, too?
21.
Who up?
Oh, there you go.
Okay. Oh, he got a real attitude. Over here. Oh, he got a real attitude over here. He got a real attitude. Oh, he'll get it.
Show up for 21.
Oh, new one.
Okay.
Hey, Cam. Check out the pants. Hey, check the pants out. Hey, dog. What's up, dog? What's up, dog?
Living on right. Know what you get, man. Everything.
What's up, dog?
He said he run GT now. He said he run Sex Cymbal now. Who next?
I'm 42 years old.
Oh. Hey, we fuck with the pants. We fuck with the pants.
No, he came in on $1.
What year is it?
He came in on $1.
What year is it? 07.
You see how this nigga is locked in? That nigga took the head off.
Okay. Come on with it.
We don't have to we can stop.
Okay.
Hey, check out the pants, though.
Love the band.
You got nigga those 21. Thousand D's those 21. You him no more Thousand D's those 21. Oh, I just don't know.
I'm telling you the toes ain't got that 99.
Come on.
Nice move, now.
Thousand D's those 21. You can't hold the whole swing up.
Let's go.
Get there. Oh, get there. Oh, shit. What was that? Look at the mirror? What was that? To look at the mirror? I ain't never seen that before. What was that? What was that? To look at the mirror?
Put the glasses on. Let go. Put the glasses on.
With the glasses on, Bill.
Blasting out the Bible if God watching. Sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas. Certified boogeyman, I'm the one that up the score with him. Walking down whole time, I know he got some pull on him. Pull on him, extort shit, really the flow on him. Say Drake, I hear you like I'm young. You better not ever go to cell block one. To any bitch that talk to him and they in love, just make sure you hide your little sister phone. Tell me Charles the only one that get your hand-me-downs. And party at the party playing with his nose now. And Baka got a weird case, why is he around? Certified lover boys, certified pedophiles. Rock, that fuck 'em up. Rock, I'ma do my stuff. Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you tired? Trying to strike a chord and it's probably A minor. They not like us. 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 You think the pay don't let you disrespect pop nigga? I think the open shoulder be on that stop nigga. Get cold foul.
You foul, halfway foul. Have you ever made love to a trap? Turn up on a bro, bitch, and make a map. Soon as I see you walk by, I had to have you. What's your name? Who you came with? You like star here, nigga here telling me to.
And y'all niggas copy, so y'all niggas rap like a clone too. And y'all niggas trapping a pro too. Man, y'all niggas act like them hoes too. And y'all niggas swear like them hoes too. And I'm laughing at y'all like them hoes do. They ain't my nigga. They ain't my kind. Now
Back,